New item text is type of writing that provides actual information about important events which aim to provide information to readers and listeners.
Purpose of news item text: 1. To inform the readers about newsworthy or important events of the day. 2. To present information the readers about newsworthy or important events of the day.
Structure of the text. Yang pertama ada main event atau headline of the news, yaitu berupa headline yang mana merupakan summary of the text. Jadi kalau kalian baca koran, media cetak atau media online itu ada tulisan besar di tengah-tengah yang dicetak tebal, itu adalah headline-nya. Yang kedua ada background of the event, yaitu telling of the specific event or answering 5W 1H, yaitu what, who, why, where, when, and who. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian baca berita, itu di dalamnya tuh pasti ada 5W 1H. Berita itu panjang dan kalian mau cari intinya aja. Jadi di bawah headline itu di paragraf 1 atau di paragraf 2 itu kalian akan menemukan jawaban dari 5W 1H. Yang terakhir ada sources, yaitu statement or opinion for someone who involved in the event or knows about the chronology of the event. Jadi sources itu biasanya memberitahu tentang kejadian yang sedang terjadi atau telah terjadi. Atau sources itu juga bisa dibilang sebagai sumber atau narasumber yang akan memberitahu tentang kejadian yang terjadi.
The language feature of news item text is 1. Short, telegraphic information about story captured in headline. 2. Focusing in circumstance. 3. Using past tense. 4. Using action verb. 5. Using saying verb. Exactly, she said, informed, told, and reported. 6. Using adverb. Time, place, and manner.
Sebagai berikut, yaitu aktor Didi Petet di 858. Veteran actor Didi Widiatmoko, popularity now as Didi Petet. Didi did that at the age of 58. His residence in Sasak Tinggi, Ciputat, South Tangerang on Friday morning. Didi's niece Mutia Kautsar said that Didi, who started in number of comedian and drama film in the 1980 and 1990, collapsed and lost consequences when attending an expo in Milan, Italy. Recently, he just arrived home on May 10 after attending the exhibition in that city. He collapsed and lost consciousness and returned home in a wheelchair, she said. One Tuesday, Didi was taken to Bandung for treatment. Mutia said no diseases were detected but the death on Friday. Didi's body is laid out in his residence on Jalan Bambu Apus in Sasak Tinggi, Ciputat, South Tangerang. It has yet to be decided when and where he will be buried. Yang artinya aktor Didi Petet meninggal dunia di usia 58 tahun. Aktor veteran Didi Widiatmoko dikenal sebagai Didi Petet meninggal pada usia 58 di kediamannya di Sasak Tinggi, Ciputat, Tangerang Selatan, Jumat pagi. Didi, keponakan Mutia Kautsar, mengatakan bahwa Didi yang membintangi sejumlah film komedi dan drama pada 90-an sampai 80-an dan 90-an runtuh dan kehilangan kesadaran ketika menghadiri sebuah pameran di Milan, Italia baru-baru ini. Dia baru saja tiba di rumah pada 10 Mei setelah menghadiri pameran di kota itu. Ia pingsan dan kehilangan kesadaran dan kembali ke rumah di kursi roda, katanya. Pada hari Selasa, Didi dibawa ke Bandung untuk perawatan. Mutia mengatakan tidak ada penyakit yang terdeteksi, tetapi dia meninggal pada hari Jumat. Tubuh Didi diletakkan di kediamannya di Jalan Bambu Apus di Sasak Tinggi, Ciputat, Tangerang Selatan. Ini belum diputuskan kapan dan di mana ia akan dimakamkan.
Contoh 2. Police suspect drug overdose in boxer Tony Ayala Jr. Heroin and a syringe were found next to the body of Tony Ayala Jr. San Antonio police disclosed Thursday in a report that say investigators suspect a drug overdose killed the trouble boxer. According to a newly released police report, the items were found on a desk next to Ayala's body, which was found face down on the floor next to the desk and chair. Investigators say the syringes were contained what appeared to the narcotic and that a ball of heroin wrapped in the tape was found on the desk in a cooker cap and a spoon. There was no sign of trauma on the body, police said. According to the report, a woman officer found weeping over Ayala's body said the pair had been drinking alcohol and quarreling in a house. They shared the night before about 1 a.m. Thursday. He left the house angry, she said, about 7:30 a.m., sensing that something was wrong. She went to a gym owned by Ayala's family, where he trained and found his body. The woman's name was concealed in the report. Ayala, a 1978 Golden Glove middleweight champion, was 19 when he was arrested and later convicted of raping a school teacher in New Jersey. He was undefeated in 22 bouts with 19 knockouts and set to fight Davey Moore for a junior middleweight little before the arrest. After serving 16 years of a 35-year term for rape, Ayala repeatedly ran into legal trouble in Texas. As he tried to revive his boxing career, he was shot in the left shoulder by a woman after allegedly breaking into her home and refusing to leave in 2000. He got probation and a short jail term in a plea agreement. 4 years later, Ayala went back to prison for 10 years when he violated parole in the Texas case. He was pulled over for speeding and charged with driving without a license, possession of heroin, and possession of pornography. Ayala was charged in 2003 with having sex with a 13-year-old girl, but the case was dismissed when the girl said she lied about the incident.